What if I told you that the machine which helped rebuild Italy after World War II had less horsepower than your grandmother's sewing machine? Ladies and gentlemen, and my friend who still insists mopeds don't count as real vehicles. Today, we're diving into the 1947 Vespa 98. Yes, that's right. The Vespa wasn't born glamorous. No Audrey Hepburn, no Roman holiday. It was a desperate solution for a country that had more potholes than money. 1946, Italy was broke. Enrico Piaggio, an aircraft builder, needed something new. He hired Corradino de Ascanio, who hated motorcycles, to make a scooter simple enough for anyone. Piaggio looked at it and said, "It looks like a wasp." And the Vespa was born. Now, here's the kicker. The Vespa 98 had a 98cc two-stroke single-cylinder engine, just 3.2 horsepower at 4,500 RPM. Top speed, 60 km range. That's 37 miles per hour. Slower than Timmy jogging downhill after hearing an ice cream truck. Nobody drag raced these things, but they gave Italians freedom when cars were unaffordable. By 1948, Piaggio sold 35,000 units. Soon Vespas were in France, America, and in Hollywood. Audrey Hepburn made it glamorous. The world fell in love with a buzzing mosquito on wheels. Today, a 1947 Vespa 98 at R.M. Sotheby's sold for $46,000, about $50,000. Back in 1947, it cost just $300. Honestly, I think it deserves every cent. Unlike Timmy's $300 Beanie Baby collection, currently worth negative pride. So there you have it, the 1947 Vespa 98. Light as a feather, weak as a kitten, but powerful enough to rebuild Italy. Subscribe to ride the future, or risk being slower than a 3.2 horsepower Vespa trying to climb a hill with 2 passengers and a basket of baguettes.